I've seen to have taken up collecting another rather dull set of items in promotional stationery sets. Not ordinary ones, but ones like this one, this limited edition 1999 Final Fantasy VIII stationery set that I managed to pick up for just a couple of pounds at a house clearance. These were the days where stationery sets were still acceptable forms of gifts when humans still wrote. Now, let's take a look at what's included in this set. It's presented very nicely in this clear plastic case, though it could do with a clean. First we have this metal ruler, not your cheap plastic kind, and it still has its protective layer on it, which is very nice. Next we have the actual Final Fantasy VIII game. In Japanese, of course, this promotional pack only came out in Japan. An attractive metal pencil case with some game credits and screenshots on it there. Lovely. Next we have this rather lovely pen here with the words Final Fantasy VIII and Cross Sword in beautiful working order. There you can see. Do not believe this set has been really used. Next we have this rather lovely mechanical pencil. Lionheart written there. Let's test the mechanicalness of this pencil. Yes, look at that. And here is your standard rubber or eraser, still in its plastic casing. A must for any stationery set, with the words Wing Heart inscribed there. And finally we have this very graphical plastic mat, though I'm not quite sure what it is for. Maybe it's useful if you are writing on carpet or something like that. Now, I had a look online and I couldn't really find any information about this set other than a single set I saw on the site eBay where they were asking for over £150 for this. Unfortunately, it was then that I realised I am missing something from this set, some kind of strap-like item. So that does affect the value negatively. Still, a Final Fantasy memorabilia collector may be willing to part £20 for this, so there's still a profit in it if I decide to sell it.